If you encounter any issues with your product, file, or book, you can resolve it and replace it immediately. Make an attempt to order 10,000 teeth whiteners and encounter a technical problem. You are in a difficult situation, need to pay for the warehouse, pay for the shipping. It is not an easy task for those who have tried Amazon FBA or private label. It is not easy for those who have tried drop shipping. The product is not mine. It is a Chinese low quality item, and you have to know how to do Facebook ads. They are complicated depending on what you sell. It is not an easy process, okay? Understood? Thus, abstain from being there and performing countless acts of perfection with meticulousness and precision. I see students coming on Zoom. Tonight we have the usual weekly Zoom with all the private students. They join on Zoom. But I'm here. Few, not all. But I'm here. Well, because 1,000 parts queries. Are you publishing? How many books have you published in the last 6 months? 2, 3? Who the fuck wants to make money with 3 books in 6 months? But what are we actually doing? Okay? The secret is extremely simple. You have to take action. You are required to work. When an individual approaches me for guidance and states, "You have authored the book," I inquire of them, "Did you do it here? Did you do it there?" "Oh no, now I have vacation. It's been 6 months since my last one, and I deserve it. If I don't take leave, I deserve it." You don't deserve them because you had something to do, okay? Publish at least 1 book per month, guys. A book a month, a book in 30 days. An entrepreneur who opened the restaurant for 1 day a month? Do you understand what we're talking about? But how do you expect to achieve results by publishing 1 or 2 books in 6 months? Hey, I don't have money. Guys, it's a business. It's an enduring activity, not multiplication of bread and fish. No Jesus with fish. Multiplying. Guys, it's a business and activity. Get a business in peace. It's a business and occupation. Do you want to make 10,000 euros per month? You can't put absolute zero. It's impossible. How do you generate 10,000 with absolute zero? If you are able to, please write me privately, all right? Contact my consultants. I will provide you with the link. I have discovered a method to multiply clothes and fish, all right? I will give you the link so that you can provide your miraculous solution. Is that okay with you? I multiply the clothes and the fish. I made 10,000 euros. I put absolute zero. How? Impossible, okay? I can't publish because I don't have money. But it's not true that there is no money. But how can you say there is no money? That maybe there's the new iPhone, right? There is the new iPhone. I paid for it in installments. It cost 30 euros per month for the iPhone. What the fuck do you need to do with this iPhone? Instagram? For the money for the iPhone there are. Guys, remember that this is another lesson as I have learned in my 41 years of life. I won't be 70, but not even 18. People have the money for the things they want. All right? Depending on the priorities you assign to each and every area of your life, you discover the necessary resources to successfully accomplish a certain thing X. If your dream is to visit New York, you'll find a way to save money, and I may even arrange installments for you, most likely. Then the person informs me, "But I lack funds to publish 2 books. Damn, did you visit NYC? Is it for the instant gratification of a trip? Yes, to build and create a potentially better life because you are here watching these videos, this live, because you want something more. But you're not settling for the low salary like I did. In 2018, I wasn't happy with the railway worker's salary, even though it was good, guys. But you don't go to the moon with a railway worker's salary as a train driver, no matter how dear. The train driver is rich, not worth sacrificing health. Today, after 14 years of railway, of trains, I genuinely wonder. Sometimes I converse with my wife, but who knows? There is all the excrement that I have inhaled on locomotives, electromagnetic waves, electric motors. At what cost? Okay. Set priorities. If your priority is vacation, you have never succeeded. Forget it. If your priority is a new phone every year, forget it. Then perhaps individuals who smoke 2 covert packs per day but lack the funds to engage in business. Guys, cash is the point, otherwise you wouldn't be watching this live. How do you see this live?